Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my winter Boxycharm Luxe box. If you would like to see what I got in this box, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. Also, don't forget to activate that little bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So Boxycharm just recently started doing Boxycharm Luxe for $49.99. I believe that's the price, but they do charge you like $28 something, and then they also charge you $21 for your box. I believe it was $28.99 and $21, yeah. So you do receive your Boxycharm box as usual, except when you get your Boxycharm Luxe box, which is every season. And this is the winter season box, which I'm super excited because this is actually my first box that I'm actually trying. So let's see what I got. Okay, so it does come kind of packaged almost the same as a regular Boxycharm box, and it also has like a pamphlet like usual. The first thing is this PYT, it's a girl's world. This one is a mini hair straightener, and the value of this hair straightener is $75. You did have a choice to either get this or something else, but I know that I decided to go with the straightener only because I think it's a good idea when you travel to have a little mini straightener. So this is the hair straightener. It's really cute. I love the color, and they did say that there was going to be different colors, so probably other people are getting different colored. I do have a lot of straighteners already, so I was thinking maybe I should do a giveaway in this video for this straightener. So if you would like to win this straightener, I'll be leaving all the information in the description box below on how to enter, how to win this straightener. So the next thing I see is this sponge, which I really like. I really like these because they last a long time. They last me usually about a month, and they do have a value of $20 for this sponge. I really like these actually. They're really good, and they already have like soap and stuff in them, which I really love. They really do buff pretty good as well. So the next thing is this LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream, which is this one. This one says it has a value of $89. I'm just not too sure if this is actually the full-size product, because I did just receive one of these and it didn't look like this. Okay, yeah. Well, because this one is a 100 ml, so it's huge. So I do like that they have a smaller size, so when I travel, I can easily take it. Next is this Luxe Complete Face Set, which is this one. Wow, this is like a really nice set of brushes, and I really do like Luxe brushes. And let me see the price, because Luxe brushes do tend to be a little bit pricey. So this set has a value of $65, which is this one. The next thing is this Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette. This one says it has a value of $26. Okay, this one's really cute. I like it. Next is this Lorac Pro Lash Pomade, which is this one. This one says it has a value of $24. Next is this Tarte's Shimmer Lip Paint. So this is the color for the lip paint, and it does have a value of $20. Wow, we got a lot of stuff in the box. Next is this Glam AF thingy, which I don't even know what it is, but let's see what it is. Oh, I think it's a charger. It is a charger. Look at this. It has this, and then it has a little cable to charge your phone. Oh, I'm so happy. I really need one of these. Okay, this one says Crimes of Beauty Wristlet Portable Charger. Okay, this one has a value of $22. So the last thing we have is this Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. This one is the HG, and this one has a value of $45. And I already own like some Violet Voss palettes, so I'm super excited to try this one out. Or if it looks like some of the ones I already have, maybe I can include it in this giveaway. Who knows? I can't take it out. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my god, the colors are like perfect for everyday use. As you can see, this one is like perfect for everyday use. This is like your perfect palette. So it looks like this from the inside. It's so pretty. And that was everything I received in my Boxycharm for December. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll be leaving the details of how to enter the giveaway in the description box below, as well as the link for Boxycharm if you guys would like to subscribe to Boxycharm. And that was everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.